மதிமுகம் தொலைக்காட்சியில் விளம்பரம் கொடுக்க விரும்புறவங்க திரையில தெரியிற எண்ணுக்கு தொடர்பு கொள்ளுங்க.
Hello. Hello, doctor.
சொல்லுங்க.
This is Dr. Arun.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
This is Dr. Arun.
Yes.
Are you busy?
No, tell me.
This is Shantini here from Malaysia. I think you know me. You know me, right?
Yeah. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm fine, thank you. Are you in Chennai?
Yes.
Doctor, you know what happened, right? The last when this Dr. Paninganan hit me, and I had, something. My whole stomach has gone mark. Full
Yeah, you
mark.
told me. Yeah.
Full mark
Yeah,
I have. What can I do now? Tell me.
What kind of mark is that?
It is so dark. I can't wear sari. I can't do anything. Whenever my mother is asking me, நான் என்ன சொல்றது? And now he's no more minister. You know that, right?
Yeah. I know that.
Why? Because of all the karma he have done to me. You know, right? What shit I've gone through with him.
Correct. What happened?
No. See, he should, whatever he have done, he should bear it. Yes or no?
Correct.
Already,
that is true.
Doctor, you know, you should know that I am now away. I'm whenever I'm back to my country, I'm VIP. I'm doing this and that. But whatever he have done to me, he's answerable or not.
Definitely.
He is your friend. And why he lost his position? You tell me. Because of his bloody mouth, and he ditched the government. You know that, right?
Definitely. Yeah. Yes.
So, okay, leave all this aside. Now you know யாரு நல்லவங்க யாரு கெட்டவங்கன்னு you should know. Yes or no?
Correct. That is right.
I have a mark on my stomach. This side. I'll send you the mark tomorrow morning. I don't know how to answer my parents. And when I call his wife, she's not even bothered to answer me. Already I have gone through how many abortions? You know that.
Correct.
You need it.
Oh, what is he telling now?
He is not answering my call, and that wife is like ignoring me. And doctor, எனக்கு ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. நான் நேரா போய் சிஎம் கிட்ட போய் என் போட்டோஸ் எல்லாம் காமிச்சு ஒரு லெட்டர் எழுதி போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? You tell me. Already he have so much problem.
Correct.
Did I do anything like that? You tell me. I've never done anything for your kind information, but he told me, Arun சொன்னா நீ வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணேனா தூக்கி போட்டுறணும், நீ எதுக்கு வச்சிருந்த, அதனால தான் இவ்வளவு பிரச்சனை. You know what? I've never given him any problem until now. Whatever marks I have on my body, whatever abortions I have done, something, until now I have never demanded anything. God knows that. Even you know that, right?
Yeah, definitely. I know that.
He told me, you know what? Arun told me, சத்தியமா என்கிட்ட சொன்னாரு. அருண் சொன்னா நீ வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணி த்ரோ பண்ணிருக்கணும், அதனால தான் வந்து இப்படி இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு. He told me that. I was very upset. That's why I didn't talk to you. I came back to my place.
Oh, I didn't say anything about that.
And
he told you like that?
Yeah, he told me like that. It's very hurting because I'm not a normal person. If you come to Malaysia, you knows. I am also one of the VIP here. If I can screw him up, I can do whatever I want. Yes or no? You tell me. I can just take a picture of anything, so my abortions, everything. I can just tell to CM. CM is counter. I'm a counter. I'm from Salem. I'm a counter. I know CM. I can meet anyone, anytime. I've never done anything, but he said, Arun, I've done this to you. நீ நம்பாத, You have made me a fool. Now, my both stomach I have marks, my breast I have marks. And now he's not even answering my call. This is not fair at all. This is not fair. I'm going to go to CM and write to him and everything. That's it. This is my last decision. You know why he lost his position, right? You tell me you're his good
because
friend.
of his mouth.
Yeah, the same thing. Doctor, not only to me, he have not done any things to anywhere in Ramnath. உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா விஷயம்?
I know everything.
You know, in near my house, how many Ramnath people are staying? In Malaysia, how many Ramnath people are staying? They all complain about him. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Then as a friend, why you never advise him? என்கிட்ட சொன்னாரு, நீங்க போய் அவரை பாத்தீங்கன்னா மணி உனக்கு திருப்பி பொசிஷன் கிடைச்சிரும்னு நீங்க போய் சொன்னீங்களா? As a friend, you must advise him. How can he go and answer me this? As a friend, you must go and tell him, மணி நீங்க பண்ணது தப்புன்னு. நீங்க why didn't tell him?
No, we'll be telling him, but he will not listen to us.
Doctor, you know something? They even fired firecrackers. அதெல்லாம் நியூஸ் வந்தது. மலேசியா வரைக்கும் வந்தது. தெரியுமா தெரியாதா?
Which one?
அமைச்சர் மணிகண்டன் மினிஸ்டர்ல பதவி ஏத்துட்டாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஃபயர் கிராக்கர்ஸ் எல்லாம் ப்ளே பண்ண வெடிச்சாங்க. தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? Yeah. You know something? I am dealing with the government. Personally, I know CM, I know deputy, he thinks I don't know anything. So, I love him, whatever he is doing, I'm keeping quiet. But you know something, doctor? Satyama, I'm in Malaysia, I'm promising about my God. I told him 1.5 months before, I said, unga பதவி போகுது, உங்களை மார்க் பண்ணிட்டாங்க அப்படின்னு நான் சொன்னேன். You ask him. If you don't believe me, you ask him. I told him, உங்க பதவி போகுது எனக்கு நியூஸ் அப்படின்னு நான் சொன்னேன். From Malaysia, I got this news. He said, no, nobody can do anything to me. Now you see what happened to him. You tell me, doctor, you as a friend, you should advise him. But I know what you did to him. He told me that also.
No, we will be telling all those things, but he will not listen, no? What will we do?
He said, Arun said, you should just fuck her and leave her like that. Doctor, I am not a fucking roadside woman, doctor. I am a master's holder. I studied in, I am a government school.
I know that. I didn't tell like that at all.
He said that. He said, you told me, Arun, இப்படி சொன்னா அப்படின்னு. I can screw him. Doctor, I'm telling you something. You write in your whatever. I am a government sponsored and I'm the ambassador. Today I deal with all the VIPs. If I want to write a letter towards him, and anytime I can screw him, you tell me. இதெல்லாம் வந்து I keep quiet. This is too much. Now I'm going to come to Chennai. I'm going to meet him directly. I have all the pictures and everything. You are the one who treated me. I won't pull you, but I'm just telling you. Doctor,
did you talk to him?
You know something? I arranged special puja for him in Batu Caves for him, and I'm vegetarian. I am only taking 1 meal a day. I lost so much of weight. Everyone is complaining in my why you lost weight? All the time I'm praying for him. He's telling me I'm fucking around. He will, doctor. The problem is his mouth. Purida, he lost his position because of his mouth. You agree that?
Yeah, definitely.
But why you didn't advise him? He said Arun told me that you will get the position apdinu. Why you told him like that? You know that you should, as a friend, you should advise him. Until now, nobody is advising. Everyone is keeping quiet because of his attitude. Now who is suffering? Tell me. இன்னைக்கு எல்லாமே போச்சுல, எல்லாமே போச்சுல. You know, 1 month exactly after that incident, after that 1 month, Nayanar lost. I got news from CM's office that இவர் வந்து தூக்க போறாங்க அப்படின்னு. I already got news and I told him, உங்களை வந்து தூக்க போறாங்க அப்படின்னு. He never believed that. தூக்கிட்டாங்கல்ல இப்போ. So
okay, leave it. You talk to him. What is the thing is now?
Doctor, you should talk to him. This is nothing that na pesi, nothing is going to happen. You know what happened, and he is telling me Arun said this, Arun said this, and I don't care what.
Yes, I never said that at all.
You know what I told him, Arun சொல்லிருக்க மாட்டாங்க, ஏன்னா எங்க அம்மா நம்பர் கொடுத்து நீங்க சொன்னதுப்பா அவங்க சொல்லல. So he will always protect me. You are a liar. I told him that he is a liar actually.
I didn't talk to him at all. No. After that, I met only once him. See, after this incident, I met only once. That too after his minister had gone.
Yeah, you went and saw him, right?
Huh?
You went and saw him, right?
Yeah, I went and saw him after this incident.
What did you advise him? You said that உங்களுக்கு பதவி கிடைச்சிரும். என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Everybody knows him.
No, he only told me that he is going to get it back.
How he will get, doctor? He already have so many cases.
He only told me that.
He already have so many.
He told me that he will get it back. Nothing to worry. I spoke to CM. I spoke to all senior
what
ministers.
He said you only said, Arun only said you will get. Doctor, எனக்கு ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. I'm a counter. I'm from Salem. I just put one letter to CM. What will happen? You just think.
He will keep with it and he will never put it back.
Of course, all.
He will say that he got a letter also. These other things are happening. So please wait and be.
And he wants to fuck around with me. You know, you better call and tell him. If you want to fuck around with me, I will pull everything. நான் வந்து ரொம்ப, I'm very very patient. But he wants to play around with me. I'll fuck him up. I'll just say now he's nothing. புரியுதா? I don't care. He's whatever. But now he's nothing. But it's okay. Doctor, I'm telling you, I don't want to do anything to him. Let him. Right. ஒரு முட்டாள நம்ம போய் முட்டாள ஆக்க முடியாதுல. நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? But it is karma. Whatever he have done to me and whatever his mouth is suffering. Also, not only him, his wife. She is the number one bitch in the world. She don't even give water for the police. தெரியுமா? You know, she don't even water to the cook who's coming to cook for her. Everyone is cursing them. You know, that's why he lost his position. And everything, all the reports goes to CM. புரியுதா? You should tell him.
So what to do now? All those things have gone, no?
Huh?
So what to do now? All those things have gone.
Doctor, that's why
you are no more a minister. Everything has been happening. So now nothing can be done left.
No,
what do we know?
Cannot done. You know why? Until now, he's not changing himself.
Okay, I will talk to him tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Now the time is.
You think he will? You think he will listen to you?
Definitely not.
So it's better you don't talk to him. I'm just telling you why he lost his position, you know. Doctor, I'm telling you something. I speak to from top to bottom. Everyone knows me. எல்லாரும் என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா அமைச்சர் சொன்னா கேட்க மாட்டாரு அப்படின்னு. நாம என்ன பண்ண முடியும் மேடம் அப்படின்னு.
கரெக்ட். நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? அவன் தானே கேட்கணும்.
அது இப்ப கொடுத்தாலும் என்ன கொடுப்பாங்க தெரியுமா? அந்த நார்மல் ஏதாவது மினிஸ்டர் கொடுப்பாங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். Because CM is very pissed off with him, you know, right?
No, actually, what was the reason?
First thing is, he's not doing anything for the car. First thing is, he's not doing anything at Ramnath. And he's saying caste. Pudida.
Correct.
Second thing, Nayanar, he's the cause of Nayanar's loss.
Who is that?
Nayanar Nagendran lost because of him.
Yeah. You know him very well, right?
I know, because ella friends tane. Number 3, he had some misunderstanding with CM. Yes or no?
Mm.
Doctor, I'm telling you, I think your family is also from ADMK, right?
Yeah, yes.
If you're a politician, you should shut your mouth, yes or no?
Correct, definitely.
No, I'm just saying. Doctor, I am
Mm.
number one rowdy. When I'm in college, I'm rowdy. I control
Mm.
everyone. I'm
Mm.
like a rowdy. But the day I became the ambassador of Malaysia, I play
Mm.
very safe game. நான் எல்லாம் stop பண்ணிட்டேன். I am being very humble to everyone. புரியுதா? Only I'm stuck with this fellow. I was, but now I don't want to be stupid again. புரியுதா?
Correct.
Because I have a life, no point being with him because he always say I'm sleeping with that fella, that minister, that fella, all this nonsense. End of the
Mm.
day, I'm only fucking, he's only fucking me. That whole, everyone knows that.
Mm.
So no point being
When
with
did you
some.
last spoke to him?
I had a very big fight 3 days back. I said, you will never change. I told him like that. God will never bless you. ன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். நான்
Mm.
சொல்லிட்டேன் God will never bless you அப்படின்னு நான் ஒரு வார்த்தை சொல்லிட்டேன். And then
But
he
he will
said,
never mind that.
huh?
He will never mind that.
Now God never blessed him, what, doctor?
Correct.
He lost his position. You think God blessed him?
Mm.
And now he is doing puja, this and that. What is the point? Doctor, first of all, you must treat people next to you like a God. Yes or no?
Correct, definitely.
Everyone knows that he called his father Tevadia Eswara. His own father, he scold him like Tevadia, like that.
Mm.
ராம்நாட்லயும் கட்சிக்காரங்களுக்கு நல்ல பேர் இல்ல தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? You know, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Then why did you tell him you will get the position in 3 months அப்படின்னு? You told him that, right?
So just to control him, we have to tell that, no?
How can you say like that, doctor?
You can't say that you will not get it back, no?
You cannot say, Mani, you've done this mistake. நீங்க சொல்லாம வேற யாரு சொல்ல முடியும்?
Mm.
You should have told him off. He have done many mistakes in his constituency. You go and, doctor, I'm not lying. புரியுதா? You go and, doctor, how is treating me? At the same way he is treating all of them. நீங்க நம்ப மாட்டீங்க டாக்டர். அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு போய் அவர் இங்க இருக்காருல்ல, சும்மா நீங்க ஒரு சும்மா ஒரு ஆளா நீங்க போய் கேளுங்க அமைச்சர் எப்படின்னு, நீங்க சும்மா போய் கேளுங்க. அங்க உள்ள வேலை செய்யறவங்க செக்யூரிட்டில இருந்து டீ குடிக்கிற வரைக்கும் அவர் காரி துப்புவானுங்க. I'm telling you now. Even in I have a restaurant next to just 30 meters. அவங்க சொல்லுவானுங்க அப்படி கேவலமா பேசுவாங்க டாக்டர். இவ்வளவு பண்ணிட்டு
Where is he now?
he has gone to for prayers. You think God will bless him?
No, he's still staying there in the minister's residence or he's not there?
3 months, they gave him 3 months time.
Okay. He's still there.
Yeah, he's still there. Not 3 more months time. You think he will get it? If he get it, it's a good thing for him.
Okay, now the time is 1:45. I will talk to you tomorrow morning.
He's only cursing us. Anyway, you think he will get this? If he get this, it's a good thing. Please don't get, tell me.
Yeah, correct.
எல்லாருக்கும் கிடைக்காதது அவருக்கு கிடைச்சது. பட் இது கேவலம் டாக்டர். யூ டெல் மீ. அவன் இப்போ ரோட்ல போறவள துப்புறவனுக்கு தெரியுமா? How much of pressure I'm going through because of him. Oh my God. So as a friend, you only must tell him. நீங்க எல்லாருமே ஜிங்சா போட்ட யாரு சொல்லுவா? Anyway.
Okay, I will talk to you tomorrow. Okay.
But he won't listen to you. Don't waste your time also.
Okay, that's it. Okay.
But he fuck around with me.
Next, madam.
It's very wrong person to fuck around because I know CM. I'm telling you, if you fuck around with him, I know what to do. But telling it to his wife, basically, if she knows that if she fuck around with me, I fuck her off because already I fuck her off. I say, bitch, you don't play around with me. அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். But if she try to do this again to me, I know what to do with her. You know, right? I'll just straight away go to CM's office and doctor, I have proof, and you know that also. I have proof. I have marks. Moreover, this fellow left a mark on my whole body, தெரியுமா? So he
Okay,
cannot.
what I will do, I will talk to him in the morning. You call me in the morning, huh?
Doctor, he will say, doctor, you don't help him. You know, by end of the day, he will say you're a bastard. Okay, so you don't help him. You are a fool. I'm telling you something. I'm not angry with you. I'm just telling you. He will say you're a bastard. Okay, that's all. So you don't help him. He have told this to me. You helped everything, right? End of the day, he said, this bastard is after my money. நீ என்கிட்ட சொல்லிருக்காரு. சரியா? So you don't have to help him. And he said, இவன் சொன்னா இவன் வந்து கழட்டி விட சொல்லி அப்படின்னு எனக்கு கவலையே இல்லை டாக்டர். If he is not around, you know something, how many ministers' sons after me, how many kings, I know king son also after me, so they know. So he is nothing for me, but you should know what type of friend you have, and that's why he lost his position. புரியுதா? You shouldn't betray someone who help you. I know whatever you spoke, whatever.
I will talk to him in the morning and I will let you know.
Doctor, you don't have to talk to him and you don't have to support me, but just let him know I have everything, so whatever. If he try to play around with me, I will fuck around, that's all. I'll leave him, I'll fuck his wife, that's all. But anyway, it's a waste of time for you, I'm just telling you. And good night, bye.
Yes, right.